Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So, in the last two videos, we talked about the two most important theories of post-Freudian approaches, and today we'll be continuing with the same. So, the third theory that I'm going to talk about today is from Alfred Adler, and this is a very short theory, at least in the NCRT. You don't have to cover a lot about it. So there are two, three things that you need to keep in mind. So Alfred Adler talks about, a person's goals and a person's inner motivation to do something in life. उनका ज़्यादा फोकस इस बात पे रहा है कि पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट के पीछे इंसान के खुद के गोल्स का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. इसलिए इनकी थ्योरी को इंडिविजुअल साइकोलॉजी भी कहा जाता है. और इन जो गोल्स की मैं आपके साथ बात कर रही हूँ, दीज आर कॉल्ड पर्सनल गोल्स. सो he mentions that there are times when people are not able to achieve their goals and they face challenges, in their journey, and it may lead to some sort of insecurity. But he says कि इस तरह का इनसिक्योरिटीज़ होना बहुत नॉर्मल है, जो सब लोगों में देखी जा सकती है, पर जो कॉम्पनसेट करके इन इनसिक्योरिटीज़ को ओवरकम करते हैं, दैट इज़ व्हेन द पर्सनैलिटी डेवलप्स. सो हम दो चीज़ें ज़रूर मेंशन करेंगे हमारे आंसर में: पर्सनल गोल्स एंड inferiority complex. So I think these are two important things mentioned in the book by Alfred Adler. However, if we go more into depth, he also talks about social interest, which is not mentioned in the NCRT. आप अगर heading देखेंगे तो उसमें लिखा है Alfred Adler lifestyle and social interest, but social interest के बारे में कुछ नहीं लिखा. तो एक extra point में if you want you can write. He also says कि एक healthy personality का sign होता है social interest. He's participating in social activities and he's showing interest, so that is a sign of a healthy personality. So these 3 points will be enough. So I hope I could ease out the concept, and all the very best. Please if you like the video, you can subscribe the channel and give me a comment if you have a feedback to give.